I'm Nathan Uzarski, and I'm a project manager here at GrayMatter. And I wanted to talk about one of the projects that I'm working on, which is a global polymer solutions manufacturer. And what they were looking for is they were just juggling this data between their plant level equipment and their ERP. They just were not speaking the same language, so they needed something to facilitate that communication. So what we made for them is this digital bridge, which is their MES and their track and trace system that would help to communicate that data from their ERP down to their plant level equipment. That includes recipes and parameters, process orders, and then it has the added benefit of pushing that data back up to their ERP with KPIs such as OEE real time. So one of the big pieces about this was standardization, because I'm happy to say, on our third implementation of it, so our third plants. So we made this blueprint that is standardized across all three plants, so it's the same project across all three. And now they have this method where they can skip that manual step of loading this data into their equipment, and now it's all done automatically and they know how their machines are performing.